Cute and simple girl ang atake ni ex-PBB housemate Charlie Fleming sa photoshoot on her 17th birthday. Sexy and oozing with confidence naman si Sangre Dea Angel Guardian while enjoying her 27th birthday cake. Ang kaka-birthday lang ding si Beauty Empire star Kylene Alcantara may minamanifest namang project.
Gusto ko magkaroon ng action series or movie, kahit ano po. Sino kasama, kahit na sino. Honestly, I can work with anybody.
Ang tapatang-pata at itak ni na Kylie Padilla at Hazel Kinuchi sa My Father's Wife, umani na ng mahigit 16 million views sa social media at streaming platforms ng GMA. Trending din ang confrontation scene ni na Gabby Concepcion at Jack Roberto. Big winner si Ariana Grande sa MTV Video Music Awards. Video of the Year ang kanyang Brighter Days Ahead. Si Lady Gaga naman ang Artist of the Year, habang Lifetime Achievement Award recipient si Mariah Carey. Nakuha ng Cat's Eye ang Push Performance of the Year. Nagpasalamat pa in Tagalog ang member na si Sofia. Athena Imperial nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.